Quarterly cleaning and maintenance number 5. You come outside with your shop vac. You take off your little cover. I can't get it off with one hand and hold video. But you stick your shop vac down there all the way to your dryer and you clean that out. That is a must, especially if it's low to the ground like this. I don't know who would ever do that, but they did. But that will help keep your dryer running longer. Even though I hate and despise Maytags and will never buy another one again, mine has lasted about 15 years. Don't ever buy their washing machine. Anywho, that's what you do here. And we have one more video. All of this process takes maybe at the most an hour and a half. Much longer to make the video.